What's up, guys? So I got a 2017 Mustang GT with the Coyote, and I've been chasing a cylinder 2 Misfire for about a month. Let me tell you, it's driving me nuts. I've changed the coil packs, I've changed spark plugs, I've changed the VVT solenoids. Same issue every time. Cylinder 2 Misfire and a multiple Misfire. So I saw on YouTube about the runner flaps on the intakes on the 17. Most of them say it's a cylinder 8 Misfire. Well, I was having cylinder 2, so I took the intake off just for hopes and glory that it was broke. So I'll show you what I got. I gotta flip the camera around. All right, there's the intake. This side right here would be the normal side you see break, which is the number 8 side cylinder, which is bank 2. So you press or move the solenoid back here in the back. You can see it moves. They're not broke, but it is sticking. See, it's still open there a little bit. It won't shut all the way. Then I went to the other side, which I got kind of use a little thing here and press it down. I'm pushing it. Nothing. Broke. There's cylinder 2 right there. So hopefully that fixes my problem. I'll keep you updated. I don't know if I'm going to go with a 302 intake or go with the 2018. Not sure yet. Or may go back stock. I don't really care about performance too much. I like road courses. Yeah, I might start doing some Mustang videos if you guys want. Let me know. Follow me, subscribe, and I'll get back with you.